Have you ever wondered what powers banks, airlines, hospitals, and even governments behind the scenes? It's not just software, it's data, and more importantly, how that data is managed. Today, we're breaking down what Oracle Database is, why it's one of the most powerful database systems in the world, and the fascinating story behind how it became a global tech giant. By the end of this video, you'll understand what Oracle Database actually does, why companies rely on it, and how it evolved into a billion-dollar empire. Let's get into it. Before we talk about Oracle, let's simplify the foundation. A database is simply an organized collection of data. Think of it like a digital filing cabinet. Instead of papers, you have customer records, financial transactions, employee data, inventory. Now imagine managing millions or billions of records. You can't do that with spreadsheets. That's where a database management system, or DBMS, comes in. It allows you to store data, retrieve data quickly, update data securely, protect data from loss or corruption. And this is where Oracle enters the picture. Oracle Database is a relational database management system, also known as an RDBMS. That means it stores data in structured tables, rows and columns, like a superpowered spreadsheet. But it goes far beyond that. Oracle Database is designed for high performance, massive scalability, enterprise-level security, reliability under pressure. Companies use Oracle to handle millions of daily transactions, real-time financial systems, global applications, mission-critical data. What makes Oracle powerful is its ability to handle complex workloads without failing. It supports SQL, structured query language, which allows users to query data, join tables, analyze information, generate reports. But Oracle isn't just about storing data, it's about managing it intelligently. Let's break down what makes Oracle elite. 1. High availability. Oracle databases are built to stay online, even during failures. Features like Real Application Clusters, RAC, DataGuard, ensure systems keep running 24/7. 2. Security. Oracle is trusted by banks and governments for a reason. It includes advanced encryption, user access control, data masking. Your data stays protected at every level. 3. Scalability. Whether you're a startup or a global enterprise, Oracle can scale with you, from small systems to massive cloud infrastructures. 4. Performance optimization. Oracle automatically tunes performance using intelligent indexing, query optimization, memory management. This keeps systems fast, even under heavy load. 5. Backup and recovery. Data loss can destroy a business. Oracle provides automated backups, flashback technology, disaster recovery systems, so you can restore data quickly when needed. Now let's talk about how Oracle became Oracle. Oracle was founded in 1977 by Larry Ellison, Bob Miner, Ed Oates. The company was originally called Software Development Laboratories, SDL. Their breakthrough came from a research paper by IBM on relational databases. While IBM was slow to commercialize the idea, Oracle moved fast. In 1979, Oracle released the first commercial relational database system. That was a game changer. The growth phase. In the 1980s and 90s, Oracle became the go-to database for enterprises. Businesses needed structured data systems. Oracle delivered reliability and performance. By the late 90s, Oracle was already dominating the database market. The Internet era. Oracle adapted quickly to the rise of the Internet. They introduced web-enabled databases, cloud-ready infrastructure, enterprise applications. Today, Oracle is more than just a database company. It's a cloud technology leader offering Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, OCI, autonomous databases, AI-powered data management. Oracle now competes with giants like AWS, Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud, and continues to evolve. So why does Oracle still matter? Because data is everything, and Oracle helps businesses make smarter decisions, handle massive data loads, stay secure and compliant. Industries that rely heavily on Oracle include finance, healthcare, government, telecommunications. If data is the engine, Oracle is the system that keeps it running. Now you understand what Oracle Database is and why it's such a powerful force in the tech world. From its early days in the 1970s to becoming a global enterprise leader, Oracle has shaped how data is stored, managed, and used. If you're looking to get into tech, learning Oracle Database Administration can open doors to high-paying, in-demand careers. And this is just the beginning.